Welcome to Jason in the Kitchen. Today I'll be making a Mexican chicken salad. We've got some prep to do, so let's get started. First we need to toast some pumpkin seeds. So in a skillet over medium-low heat, we're going to put in our raw and unsalted pumpkin seeds and toast them up, making sure they don't burn. You can use already toasted pumpkin seeds if you like. After these are toasted, we're going to set them aside and let them cool until we're ready to use. Next, we need to toast up some corn kernels. I'm using frozen corn here. You can use fresh if you like. If you have leftover roasted corn, that would go even better here. But same process, medium-low heat. Just toast them up in the pan until they're nicely toasted. Set them aside to cool until we're ready to use. Next, we're going to roast a poblano chili over the gas flame on the stove. You can also do this under the broiler. Just got to watch it and keep turning it until it chars on all sides. Then we're going to wrap it in saran wrap, or you can put it in a paper bag to steam. After about 10 minutes, I remove the saran wrap and I wash the poblano under cold running water to remove the outside char on the skin. Now I'm going to take a knife and go along the top of the chili just to go through and go all the way around. And just pull out that seed pod and dispose of it. Then we can slice open the chili, get rid of the rest of the seeds, and then we can slice and dice it. You can run this under running water or just kind of empty it into the trash can. Either way works. Now we're going to just slice strips as thick as you want them. I want them a little bit thick here for the chicken salad. So I always slice from the inside, but it's roasted so it really doesn't matter. If it was raw or you're using a bell pepper, then you can really tell the difference by going to slice from the inside rather than the outside where the skin is a little harder. So we just make our strips one way, and then we're gonna turn and we're gonna cut the other way to make some nice dice. Now we just set these aside until we're ready to use. I've got 2 chicken breasts here, about 1.5 pounds, and I'm just putting them on the stove over medium heat with some cold water, and we're going to bring this to a boil. You can flavor this water with garlic, onion, you can put bay leaf in there, salt, Boullion. You could do it in chicken stock. Thyme would be good. You know, you can season it if you want to. I'm just doing it basic. And then you'll have this chicken broth left over, or chicken stock left over after you're done. So we're not going to use it for the chicken salad recipe. So, you know, if you want to flavor it, you can just save it and label it how you seasoned it. Then you can use it for something else later on, but this is just going to be a basic recipe, so all I'm gonna do here is just bring it to a boil here in the water. We're gonna put the lid on when it comes to a boil, and we're gonna turn off the heat, and we're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. And this is the best way to really cook chicken breast if you're using it for chicken salad, tortilla soup, something like that, enchiladas, where you want to shred the chicken or dice the chicken for another preparation. This is a great way to do that. This is almost to a boil, but I just wanted to show you, you're going to get some what's called scum at the top of the water. It looks like foam. All you do is take it up and put it into another bowl. That's just waste. It's just you want to keep your stock clear as possible. So that's all you do is take it off. All right, our water's come to a boil now. So what we're going to do is turn off the heat, and we're going to put a lid on it and let it sit for 10 minutes. Then we're going to be able to take the chicken breast out, let them both cool down. Then you can save your stock. You can label it and freeze it, or you can use it for something else if you're going to use it within a week. Okay, we're going to mix together our dry ingredients for our Mexican chicken salad. We're going to put in 1/3 cup of our charred corn here, our diced roasted poblano, and 1/3 or 1/4 cup actually of toasted pumpkin seeds. We're going to save some, put on the top after our sandwich is made. Now I've got 1/3 cup of dried cherries. These are good. These are unsweetened from Michigan. Very good. And then I've got some chopped cilantro here, about a tablespoon or so. And we're just gonna kind of toss this together. Took a little bit of the chicken and I put it off to the side to make another sandwich for Jason because he doesn't like chicken salad. So this is our 2 breasts that we had poached, diced up, plus a little bit out, taken out for another sandwich. All right, now we're gonna mix our wet ingredients and our seasonings. I'm gonna put 4 spoons of mayo. This is an avocado mayo. You can use whatever kind you like or make homemade mayo. That would probably taste even better. Now I'm gonna add 2 heaping teaspoons of sour cream. If you don't want to use the sour cream, you can just do extra mayo. You can use yogurt if you would like. I would recommend like a Greek full-fat yogurt. Now we're going to add some chicken base, just like 1 teaspoonful. This is just to amp up the chicken flavor. This is the organic Better Than Boullion. It's a really good product. You can see it there. Highly recommend it. Get this big jar at Costco for the same price that you get a small jar of the unorganic at the grocery store. All right, I've got a teaspoon of cumin and a tablespoon of ancho chili powder. I'm gonna put in there. Just put a pinch of salt or so to taste, maybe 2 pinches. And then we're going to put some pepper. Alright, now we're just going to mix all this together. The seasonings just mix better when you add it to your wet ingredients than if you mix it into your dry ingredients. And one last thing. I'm going to put a little bit of lime juice in here. You can leave it out if you don't like lime juice. It's half a lime. Okay. See what we got here. Put a little bit more salt. And we should be good. Yeah, that's better. Want to really bring out that flavor because this is our seasoning for the chicken salad. Remember, we didn't season the chicken at all or any of the ingredients that went into it. All right, now we're going to add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. Mix this all together. Looking good. Let's give it a taste here. Everything together. It's really good. Sweet, creamy, got a little kick to it, a little acidity, got a crunch. Got all the components in there. Very, very good. So you want to come up with your own chicken salad recipe? Think of the flavors that you like and see how they go together. Test it out. See how it tastes. Add a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Remember, you can always add more of something, but you can't take away. So this is how I created this recipe. I just got the flavors that I liked, put them together, and came up with this chicken salad recipe. You can do the same with whatever you like. Remember, recipes are just a guideline. You can add to or take away to suit your own taste. Now let's put this all together on a sandwich. So I've got my chicken salad here on some toasted whole wheat bread. You can use brioche rolls, you can use croissants, whatever you like, that goes well. Now I'm going to finish this off. Okay, I've got some Mexican cotija cheese here. This is a dry cheese, similar to a Romano or a Parmesan cheese. Queso fresco would go good here, or you could just leave the cheese out altogether. This adds just like another flavor to the sandwich, which I like. I'm just going to coat the top with that. Okay. we've got pumpkin seeds inside the chicken salad. I'm going to put some more on top for a little bit extra added crunch. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I like it as well. Now we need to get our sides. All right, here we go. Got some mixed greens with some cherry tomatoes that I've cut in half. Made a quick vinaigrette. All I did was get one of these little mason jars, put some extra virgin olive oil, some red wine vinegar, a little lemon juice, salt, pepper, and a little bit of Dijon mustard, and you just shake it up and it's ready to go. So we got that ready. For Jason, I just sauteed the chicken that I poached for the chicken salad. Just sauteed it. I just put in some seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic powder, ancho powder, and cumin. Melted some cheddar cheese on top. And then he's got potato chips with his. And there you have it. Mexican chicken salad. So it's time to eat. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these videos, please like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.